Tracy from the Danbury Library, here with another We Readers Storytime, our weekly storytime for children ages 0 to 5 and their families. Today, we're going to be talking all about gardens. Do you have a garden at home? Well, I started a garden right here. You can see all of my plants are starting to grow. But where do plants come from? Plants come from seeds. And I don't know if you've ever seen a seed, but some seeds can be very, very tiny, just like these tomato seeds. And then they grow bigger and bigger and bigger until you have plants. Our first book today will teach us all about how plants grow. How My Garden Grew by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. Are you ready to read with me? These are the seeds I planted in my garden. This is the brown earth where my seeds grew. I dug up the earth with a spade and a hoe and a rake. I planted my seeds like this. There he is, planting them in the ground. I watered my seeds with this watering can. My seeds sprouted and grew. A toad, many ladybugs, and a praying mantis lived together in my garden. Can you find these animals? Here's a toad, and here's the ladybugs, and here's a praying mantis. They ate the insects that chewed the new green leaves in my garden. I liked them. They were helpers. I fertilized my garden with fish fertilizer. It smelled awful, but it made my garden grow. I pulled up the weeds that grew in my garden. Sun shone on my garden, rain rained on it, and bees buzzed in it. Can you buzz like a bee? Bzzz. I watched my garden grow. Look at his plants get bigger. I picked radishes and lettuce from my garden in the spring. I picked beans and bright marigolds in the summer. My pumpkins turned big and orange when Halloween came. When the sunflower blossoms grew old and droopy, I shook out the seeds and saved them for the winter birds. Winter came. The leftover stalks in my garden withered and froze. Snow covered them, and the toad slept deep under the earth. Look, there he is, feeding the birds with the sunflower seeds. Now spring has come again, and I am planting a new garden. The end. Now that we know that plants come from seeds, would you like to sing a song with me all about planting a garden? Okay, we're going to have to plant some seeds like this. Can you do this? And then the rain is going to fall just like this. And then the sun is going to come out to shine. And then our plants are going to grow nice and tall. Can you make your plants grow tall? Great work. The song goes like this. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. The rain comes raining down, the rain comes falling down. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the rain comes falling down. The sun comes out to shine, the sun comes out to shine. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the sun comes out to shine. The flowers grow tall, the flowers grow tall. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the flowers grow tall. Great work, everybody! Can we sing that one more time? Let's get our seeds out. You ready? The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. The rain comes falling down. The rain comes falling down. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the rain comes falling down. The sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the sun comes out to shine. The flowers grow nice and tall. The flowers grow nice and tall. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the flowers grow nice and tall. Great job, everybody! Well, I have one more book before we make our craft today, and it's called Counting in the Garden by Kim Parker. Have you ever been in a garden with lots of flowers and plants? Have you ever seen different animals hiding in the garden? Let's try to count what animals are hiding in this special garden. Are you ready? One cat purring in the garden. 1, 2 turtles meeting in the leaves. 1, 2, 3 dogs frolicking in the posies. 1, 2, 3, 4 bunnies finding love in the shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dragonflies darting between the daisies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ladybugs tiptoeing along a stem. Are they ready to help the gardener? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds nesting among the blossoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bumblebees buzzing in the blossoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inchworms inching towards the petal. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 butterflies flitting among the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting in the garden is so much fun. The end. Can you help me make a garden now where we can count our flowers? Are you ready? Let's do it. To make our flower garden, we will need blue and green construction paper, 5 baking cups of different colors. I have yellow, orange, purple, pink, and blue, a glue stick, scissors, and some crayons. The first thing we're going to do is make some stems for our flowers. So we're going to take our green construction paper and scissors and cut out 5 stems. If you don't have scissors, you can also rip your stems, just like this. And then we're going to glue our stems onto our paper. Next, we're going to make our flowers. My baking cups are white on one side and colored on the other side. So I like to put mine inside out so that the color will be shining through. And once it's just like this, we're going to put a little bit of glue right on the back and place it on top of the stem so that it's a blooming flower. Next, we can add some leaves to our flowers by just ripping off little corners of our paper and gluing them onto the stems. Finally, let's count our flowers and write our numbers. You can choose any color crayon you wish. I'm choosing purple. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers in our garden. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning all about plants and flowers with me today. Today is our last spring We Readers, but don't worry, we'll have new episodes starting on June 23rd, just in time for our summer reading program. You can download our Beanstack app going to our website, www.danburylibrary.org, to join in all the summer reading fun. So until then, keep reading, and I'll see you soon. Bye!